Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't.
Pack with me to Ghana. Okay, so I haven't been to Ghana in about 4 years since I've been here. I've been planning to go back and go back and go back and like forever, and I haven't really got the time because all this time I've been here, these 4 years, I don't want to be saying into details. I've been into studies and all that, so I finally found the time to go very quick and come back, because as I'm going and come back about just about a week to 2 weeks, I'll be back straight into uni again. So this is my life anyway. So pack with me. I've started packing my things. This is my spare room in the house where I brought everything that I want to send home. Here I have so many siblings, and since I left, 4 of them have had babies already, so most of the things in my bags are like baby stuff. I went to do some shoppings. I also have a son in Ghana, so I got some things for him and then the rest of the family. And so yeah, I have quite a lot of bags I'm going to pack here. I have a very big suitcase which is full of the 2 suitcases I'm carrying is like things for not mine or the people and like families and all that, but the small bag will be for my things. And so let me turn the camera around. Here we have some of the things. These are like chocolates and stuff. These are my camera chargers, my passport, and I print in my COVID like vaccine stuff inside in case they ask. I don't know what's going on in Ghana now. I have some glasses here. These days I go everywhere with glasses, so I have my spare glasses here. I don't know, I have a pack of mask and no headband in case I need it. I have a COVID test kit here. I also have, you know, a pack of paracetamol. I'm taking this home anyway to the family. This is quite really good paracetamol. It's a dissolvable one, which I'm not sure is in Ghana, and I may also need it for myself. So I just carry this purse here in case I need it to just, you know, wrap around the waist for my phone and stuff, because Charlie, girl, these days Ghana is so hot and hard, so you have to take care of your things anyway. And so here I have my wallet, sorry, my purse with my things that I have in them anyway, hidden. Quite a few things here. This is the cash Ghanaian money I found about from 4 or 5 years ago. Can you believe it? That was about 65 Ghana cedis. So I have in there, and some also paper pound in there. And I think that's so far what I have. This time as I'm going, I think I'm going to be using mostly card. I don't know if I'll have a lot of cash on me anyway because of the situations and things, you know, you have to be careful, girl. Anyway, so I've I've not really packed anything yet. The whole place is very messy. Don't mind me, I put a spoon here. Anyway, so this is the trainers I'm going to wear when I'm going. Also, that is a white shirt, my shoes, and then my jeans I'm going to wear. These are the clothes I am sending to Ghana. These are the things I am going to wear when I'm there. So I just wrap them into these shin bags and stuff so that it doesn't get dusty and all that. Where I'm going, my village is so dusty sometimes when you're traveling. So as I said, this big red suitcase here is for everything with baby stuff and all that. I mean, it's so many things in. Anyway, so from that, this bag is from this is another big bag which is from my big sister. I took it from her this last night when I was going to work, and I brought it. I need it clean anyway. So this bag is full of stuff from my big sister. So as you can see, traveling is not easy. She has also packed her things that she wanted the family to have and all that. Everything is in there, which I'm going to pack the rest of mine that I want on. And then I have some bundle of shoes then and all that. Most of them are new, brand new, where I'm going to give to my younger sisters and all that. You know, when traveling, you might need something for almost everybody. That is Ghana for you. So see, I'm going to Ghana for 1 week, and see the amount of suitcases and bags that I have packed here. It's crazy. I know it look nuts. Anyway, I'm going to pack all these things up and then get myself ready, because I'll be leaving home from this place to Oxford tomorrow morning around 9 something. There by 10 my train, my bus is around 10 there to London Gatwick Airport. So
But even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down.
these are some pictures here from my sister to my parents. So her family and baby's pictures. So I'll pack them nicely and take it for her. I also have here my sponge. This is just a little foam where I used to scrub myself. I also have here a makeup remover. I'll definitely need it because I have a lot of makeup with me, which I'll need wiping off and all that. And this is basically a weighing scale. This is a scale that I use to weigh the luggages that I have here before I go. I'll just put them into my bag in case of anything so that I don't carry too much weight with me. And I have here with me my camera. I have two cameras with me because I don't have like double batteries and all that. So I'm carrying the two of my cameras with me, which I'll put into my backpack. That is 15.57. That is 15.57 kilograms. So I'm supposed to carry about 23 kilograms in each big bag. So I think that is okay. Any little thing else that I add to it will still be okay. So I've opened the bigger bag, and these are the things that are in it. As I said, most of them are, like almost all of them are going home to families and all that. So these are just children's things that I bought, and all that, shoes and all those stuff going to family. It's like basically everything is full of clothes. All the bag is full of clothes and all that. So anyway, let's see how they all go in. Hopefully they'll go in well and fit. It's not really easy when you're going abroad. You can't carry everything. You can't carry everything at all because it's quite a lot, and you are limited to carry, you know, a certain amount of things, and you can't, you know, please everybody. Seriously, it's really hard. So I'm just trying my best to do what I can. And all here they are, all packed and ready. 3 big bags. I wonder how I'm going to go with that anyway. And I did my nails. See how cute they look. And those are from Shein anyway. So okay guys, so now I've finished packing everything. I think it's been a bit of a stressful day for me because I went to night shift. I work Friday night, Saturday night, and so I closed like Sunday morning, like today. So I came back around there. I got home around maybe 8:15, 20 there because I dropped off some friends, and then came to sleep and woke up. I slept around 9 o'clock and woke up at 12 o'clock. So about 3 hours sleep. I did not have enough sleep at all. And then I woke up and I was packing all this stuff, and see the nails I did. So I decided to do my nails. I don't know what came into my head that I should just do my nails. So this is how they look. This is just a tips, like those white tips. I bought this about 5 months ago, long time, from Shein, and then I abandoned them. I left. That was the second one. I did both of my nails. It's not focusing properly. It's not focusing properly. But anyway, I did both of my nails, and this is how they look. So that is me leaving home, heading to the, okay, I'm taking bus from Oxford to London. So I'm in the car from the house, just going to board my bus, which is around 10:45, and I think it's around a 2.5 hour bus ride, I think so, not sure. Anyway, so I should get to the airport maybe around 1-2 o'clock, if I'm right. Yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, and I hope I'll be able to vlog some more videos along the way, my traveling and all that tomorrow and everything else. I don't know, I'm a bit nervous. I don't know what to do anyway. So I'll try and edit this video and maybe upload it before I go, because I don't know how the internet will be there. I may not be able to post anything at all in all the time I'll go there. So maybe I will just have to film them and save them if I have enough space on my phone and the camera and all that. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching this come to Ghana with me and my packing and all that. Yeah, I hope I'll be able to see some of you in Ghana soon, and see you. Bye.